হ্যালো মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, আশা করছি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। আমরা অলরেডি আগের ভিডিওতে 2023-এর এমএসসি নার্সিংয়ের কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার দেখে নিয়েছি। আজ আমরা পোস্ট বেসিক এন্ট্রান্স এক্সামের কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার দেখে নেব। তো চলো বন্ধুরা, দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক। আজকের প্রথম প্রশ্ন হলো, immunity produced in the body after exposure to live pathogen is called option A active natural immunity, option B passive natural immunity, option C active artificial immunity or option D passive artificial immunity। এখানে রাইট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন এ অ্যাক্টিভ ন্যাচারাল ইমিউনিটি। Question number 2. In human body, vitamin A is stored in option A liver, option B pancreas, option C spleen or option D stomach। এখানে রাইট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন এ লিভার। ইন হিউম্যান বডি ভিটামিন এ ইজ স্টোরড ইন লিভার। Question number 3. Which of the following are the example of polysaccharide? Option A cellulose, glucose, sucrose. Option B cellulose, starch, glucose. Option C glycogen, starch, lactose. And option D cellulose, starch and glycogen. Here the right answer is option D cellulose, starch and glycogen. Question number 4. Adult BMR decrease with increase of the following. Option A body fat mass, option B fever, option C body surface area or option D muscles. Here the right answer is option A body fat mass. Question number 5. Horny or toad skin is due to deficiency of option A protein, option B essential fatty acid, option C carbohydrate or option D essential minerals. Here the right answer is option B essential fatty acid. Horny or toad skin is due to deficiency of essential fatty acid. Question number 6. When a particular antigen is mixed with antibody in the presence of an electrolyte at suitable temperature and pH at particles are clamped, this is called option A precipitation, option B agglutination, option C electrophoresis or option D cataphoresis. Here the right answer is option B agglutination. Question number 7. Immunoglobulin is associated with anaphylactic delayed hypersensitivity reaction. Option A IgE, option B IgA, option C IgD or option D IgM. Here the right answer is option A IgA. Question number 8. The most effective method of killing microorganism is option A high temperature, option B low temperature, option C high temperature and high moisture and option D low temperature and high moisture. Here the right answer is option C high temperature and high moisture. Question number 9. Biological barriers include all except option A renal tubules, option B cell membrane, option C capillary walls or option D placenta. Biological barrier include all except option B is the right answer, cell membrane. Question number 10. Half-life gas nog depend on option A biotransformation, option B time of drug absorption, option C concentration of a drug in plasma and option D rate of drug elimination. Here the right answer is option C concentration of a drug in plasma. Question number 11. Generalized edema result from all of the following disorder except option A systemic hypertension, option B CCF, option C cirrhosis and option D nephrotic syndrome. Here the right answer is option A systemic hypertension. Question number 12. Pharmacodynamics involves the study of following except option A biological and therapeutic effects of drugs, option B absorption and distribution of drugs, option C mechanism of drug action and option D drug interaction. Here the right answer is option B absorption and distribution of drugs. Question number 13. Disorders that predispose to thrombosis include all of the following except option A pancreatic cancer, option B pregnancy, option C vitamin K deficiency and option D sickle cell anemia. Here the right answer is option C vitamin K deficiency. Question number 14. Which of the following nutrition component is not included in the ICDS program? Option A supplementary nutrition, option B vitamin A prophylaxis, option C iron and folic acid distribution and option D prophylaxis against vitamin D deficiency. Here the right answer is option D prophylaxis against vitamin D deficiency. Question number 15. Triangular pearly white or yellowish foamy spot on the bulbar conjunctiva on either side of the cornea is known as option A keratomalacia, option B Botox spot, option C corneal xerosis or option D conjunctival xerosis. Here the right answer is option B Botox spot. Triangular pearly white or yellowish foamy spot on the bulbar conjunctiva on either side of the cornea is known as Botox spot. Question number 16. Histamine exerts its effect during inflammation by option A vasoconstriction of postcapillary sphincter, option B constriction of large arteries, option C acting on H2 receptor on mast cell and option D causing venular endothelial contraction. Histamine exerts its effect during inflammation by acting on H2 receptor on mast cell. So option C is the right answer. Question number 17. Which of the following organ is known as graveyard of RBC? Option A kidney, option B liver, option C spleen or option D gallbladder. Here the right answer is option C spleen. Question number 18. Which of the following is a part of hindbrain? Option A cerebellum, option B corpus callosum, option C hypothalamus or option D spinal cord. Cerebellum is the part of hindbrain. Question number 19. Which of these hormone is made by posterior pituitary? Option A FSH, option B LH, option C ACTH or option D ADH. Here the right answer is option D ADH. Question number 20. Which one of the following is not a mechanism of child socialization in the family? Here the right answer is option A. Question number 21. With respect to a movie Loving High School Girl, a film star forms part of her. Option A secondary group, option B reference group, option C primary group or option D in group. Here the right answer is option B reference group. Question number 22. Family formed after marriage is called option A family of recreation, option B monogamous family, option C family of orientation and option D family of procreation. Here the right answer is option D family of procreation. Family formed after marriage is called family of procreation. Question number 23. The smallest bone in our body is option A malleus, option B scapes, option C incus or option D nasal bone. Here the right answer is option B scapes. Question number 24. The light sensitive part of eye is called option A choroid, option B sclera, option C retina or option D lens. Option C retina is the right answer. The light sensitive part of eye is called retina. Question number 25. Which of the following muscular valve controls the flows of digestive juice from hepatopancreatic duct to duodenum? Option A sphincter of Auge, option B semilunar valve, option C ileocecal valve and option D pyloric sphincter. Sphincter of Auge control the flows of digestive juice from hepatopancreatic duct to duodenum. So option A is the right answer. Question number 26. Which part of the brain is responsible for behavioral and emotional response? Option A pons, Option B cerebellum, option C limbic system, and option D medulla. Limbic system is the part of the brain is responsible for behavioral and emotional response. So option C is the right answer. Question number 27. In the theory of repression, forgetting result due to option A when previous learning competes with new learning, option B pushing unpleasant memories into unconscious, option C decay of memory crash, and option D inadequate practice. Option B is the right answer, pushing unpleasant memories into unconscious. Question number 28. The maximum effect of a drug is defined by option A therapeutic index, option B potency, option C efficacy, and option D adversity. The maximum effect of a drug is defined by efficacy. So option C is the right answer. Question number 29. A social norm is option A what everyone adheres to, option B an evaluation of the state of affairs as good or bad, option C a belief in something as good or desirable, and option D is not adhered to by everyone but guides the action of individuals in social interaction. Here the right answer is option D. A social norm is not adhered to by everyone but guides the action of individuals in social interaction. Question number 30. Rajesh performs poorly in college exam and is angry on his professor for failing him. He then comes home and is served lunch by his mother. He then screams at his mother for overcooking the rice and the sabji being over salted. What kind of defense mechanism is operating over here? Option A intellectualization, option B regression, option C rationalization, and option D displacement. Here the right answer is option D displacement. Question number 31. The formula for calculating IQ is as follows. Option A chronological age by mental age into 100, option B mental age by chronological age into 100, option C mental age plus 100 by chronological age, and option D chronological age plus 100 by mental age. Here the right answer is option B mental age by chronological age into 100. Question number 32. Which of the following drug is an example of proton pump inhibitor? Option A pantoprazole, option B famotidine, option C ranitidine, and option D sucralfate. Here the right answer is option A pantoprazole. Pantoprazole is a proton pump inhibitor drug. Question number 33. The side effect of nitroglycerin is option A vomiting, option B diarrhea, option C headache, and option D constipation. The side effect of nitroglycerin is headache. So option C is the right answer. Question number 34. One of the following is not a live attenuated vaccine. Option A BCG, option B oral polio, option C measles, and option D diphtheria. Here the right answer is option D diphtheria. Question number 35. The most common causative organism of gas gangrene is option A Clostridium tetani, option B Clostridium botulinum, option C Clostridium perfringens, and option D Corynebacterium. The most common causative organism of gas gangrene is option C Clostridium perfringens. So option C is the right answer. Question number 36. The temperature that allows for most rapid growth during a short period of time is known as option A minimum temperature, option B maximum temperature, option C optimum temperature, and option D growth temperature. Here the right answer is option C optimum temperature. Question number 37. Which of the following immunity is obtained during a lifetime? Option A acquired immunity, option B active immunity, option C passive immunity, and option D none of the above. Here the right answer is option A acquired immunity. Question number 38. Best indicator of HIV prognosis. Option A, CD4 T cell count. Option B, CD8 T cell count. Option C, HIV RNA. And option D, ELISA. Here the right answer is option A, CD4 T cell count. Question number 39. Which of the following aminoglycoside antibiotic has the broadest spectrum of antibacterial action? Option A, amikacin. Option B, gentamicin. Option C, neomycin. And option D, streptomycin. Here the right answer is option A, amikacin. Question number 40. Which of the following food enhance the absorption of an iron supplement? Option A, baked potato. Option B, orange juice. Option C, green beans. And option D, fortified milk. Orange juice enhance the absorption of an iron supplement. So option B is the right answer. Question number 41. High level of maternal serum alpha fetoprotein indicates option A, fetal renal defect, option B, cleft lip, option C, neural tube defect, and option D, fetal cardiac defect. Here the right answer is option C, neural tube defect. Question number 42. Which of the following is not the job of ASHA with reference to the NRHM? Option A, accompanying women to the health facility for a antenatal checkup. Option B, using pregnancy test kit for early detection of pregnancy. Option C, providing information on nutrition and immunization. And option D, conducting the delivery of a baby. Here the right answer is option D, conducting the delivery of a baby. Question number 43. PMJAY is acronym for option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Option B, Pradhan Mantri Janani Arogya Yojana. Option C, Pradhan Mantri Jan Swasthya Arogya Yojana. And option D, none of these. Here the right answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Question number 44. Zero incidence is option A, elimination of disease. Option B, eradication of disease. Option C, elimination of infection. And option D, eradication of infection. Here the right answer is option A, elimination of disease. Zero incidence is elimination of disease. Question number 45. Ideal time for copper T insertion is option A, 4 to 5 days prior to menstruation, 7 days after menstruation. Option C, any time of menstrual period. And option D, 4 to 5 days of menstruation. Here the right answer is option D, 4 to 5 days of menstruation. Question number 46. Placenta previa, in which placenta completely cover the internal os, is known as option A, low-lying placenta previa. Option B, central placenta previa. Option C, marginal placenta previa. And option D, partial placenta previa. Here the right answer is option B, central placenta previa. When placenta completely cover the internal os. Question number 47. In Rh incompatibility, the color of amniotic fluid is option A, green color, option B, golden color, option C, dark brown, and option D, greenish yellow. In Rh incompatibility, the color of amniotic fluid is golden color. So option B is the right answer. Question number 48. Sample registration system is done once in option A, 6 months, option B, 1 year, option C, 3 months, and option D, 2 years. Here the right answer is option B, 1 year. Question number 49. Pentavalent vaccine should be administered option A, after 6 weeks and less than 1 year, option B, within 6 weeks, option C, after 6 months to 3 years, and option D, at birth. Here the right answer is option A, after 6 weeks and less than 1 year. Question number 50. The headquarters of UNICEF is in option A, Paris, option B, Geneva, option C, Rome, and option D, New York. Here the right answer is option B, Geneva. The headquarters of UNICEF is in Geneva. Question number 51. Wuchereria bancrofti is the causative organism of option A. Kalajor, option B. filariasis, option C. leprosy, and option D. none of the above. Here the right answer is option B. Filaria. Wuchereria bancrofti is the causative organism of filaria. Question number 52. Vertical transmission refers to a mode of transmission of disease agent by the agency of option A. placenta, option B. blood transfusion, option C. breast milk, and option D. A and C. Here the right answer is option D. A and C. Placenta and breast milk both. Question number 53. The height of a child becomes double of his or her birth height at the age of option A 1 year, option B 2 year, option C 3 year, and option D 4 year. Here the right answer is option D 4 year. The height of a child becomes double of his or her birth height at the age of 4 years. Question number 54. First case comes to notice of physician is called option A. primary case, option B. index case, option C. secondary case, and option D. refer case. The first case comes to notice of physician is called option B. index case. So option B is the right answer. Question number 55. Pap smear is an example of option A. primary level of prevention, option B. secondary level of prevention, option C. tertiary level of prevention, and option D. none of the above. Pap smear is an example of secondary level of prevention. Question number 56. Which one is the zoonotic disease? Option A. hydrotic cyst, option B. malaria, option C. filariasis, and option D. dengue fever. Filariasis is the zoonotic disease. So option C is the right answer. Question number 57. Lactate Gringer solution is contraindicated in option A. hypovolemia, option B. burn, option C. lactic acidosis, and option D. fluid loss as bile or diarrhea. Lactate Gringer solution is contraindicated in lactic acidosis. So option C is the right answer. Question number 58. Which of the following is considered as an example of intentional tort? Option A. malpractice, option B. negligence, option C. breach of duty, and option D. false imprisonment. False imprisonment is an example of intentional tort. So option D is the right answer. Question number 59. Injection KCl is administered as option A. IV bolus, option B. short IV, option C. fast IV infusion, and option D. slow IV infusion. Injection KCl is administered as slow IV infusion. So option D is the right answer. Question number 60. Rovsing sign is positive in option A. appendicitis, option B. cholecystitis, option C. meningitis, and option D. peritonitis. Here the right answer is option A. appendicitis. Rovsing sign is positive in appendicitis. Question number 61. How so give open airway of an unconscious patient with cervical injury? Option A. head tilt and jaw thrust, option B. head tilt and chin lift, option C. jaw thrust, and option D. chin lift. Here the right answer is option C. jaw thrust. The most preferred intramuscular injective site for children and infant is option A. deltoid site, option B. dorsogluteal site, option C. ventrogluteal site, or option D. vastus lateralis site. The most preferred intramuscular injective site for children and infant is vastus lateralis site. So option D is the right answer. Question number 63. Alarm resistance and exhaustion are concepts related to option A. health belief model, option B. Kranz theoretical model, option C. health promotion model, and option D. general adaptation syndrome. Here the right answer is option D. general adaptation syndrome. Question number 64. Diabetes insipidus is caused by the deficiency of option A. antidiuretic hormone, option B. insulin, option C. glucagon, and option D. renin. Diabetic insipidus is caused by the deficiency of antidiuretic hormone. So option A is the right answer. Question number 66. Kerning sign is positive in option A appendicitis, option B cholecystitis, option C meningitis, and option D peritonitis. Kerning sign is positive in meningitis. So option C is the right answer. Question number 67. A client admitted to the hospital with a subarachnoid hemorrhage has complained of severe headache, nuchal rigidity and projectile vomiting. The nurse knows lumbar puncture would be contraindicated in the client because of option A vomiting continues, option B intracranial pressure has increased, option C the client needs mechanical ventilation, and option D blood is anticipated in the cerebrospinal fluid. Here the right answer is option B intracranial pressure ICP has increased. Question number 68. The removal of entire breast, pectoralis major and minor, muscles and neck lymph node, which of the following by skin grafting is a procedure called option A simple mastectomy, option B modified mastectomy, option C radical mastectomy, and option D modified radical mastectomy. Here the right answer is option C radical mastectomy. Question number 69. Mr. Iron, age 54 years with history of type 2 diabetes for 20 years, has been admitted to the hospital with chronic renal failure. When completing the initial assessment, which sign would indicate circulatory overload? Option A apprehension, poor tissue turgor and bradycardia, option B an increase in blood pressure, apprehension and shock, option C cold, dry skin, gastric distension and pleural edema, and option D weight gain, coughing of prosputum and jugular vein distension. Here the right answer is option B an increase in blood pressure, apprehension and shock. Question number 70. A very low birth weight baby whose birth weight is option A 1000 gram, option B less than 1500 gram, option C more than 1500 gram, and option D 2000 gram. A very low birth weight baby whose birth weight is less than 1500 gram. So option B is the right answer. Question number 71. What is the normal body temperature of a newborn? Option A 36.5 to 37.5 degree centigrade, option B 35 to 37 degree centigrade, option C 36 to 37 degree centigrade, and option D 36.5 to 38.5 degree centigrade. The normal body temperature of a newborn baby is 36.5 to 37.5 degree centigrade. So option A is the right answer. Question number 72. Tetralogy of Fallot is combination of all except option A VSD, option B right ventricular hypertrophy, option C overrigging of aorta, and option D pequeño ductus arteriosus. Here the right answer is option D pequeño ductus arteriosus, PDA. Question number 73. First dose of vitamin A oil supplementation to an infant should be option A 1 lakh unit, option B 2 lakh unit, option C 3 lakh unit, and option D 4 lakh unit. First dose of vitamin A oil supplementation to an infant should be 1 lakh unit. So option A is the right answer. Question number 74. Quinsy means option A peritonsillar abscess, option B lung abscess, option C tonsillitis, and option D pharyngitis. So here the right answer is option C tonsillitis. Quinsy means tonsillitis. Question number 75. Subdiaphragmatic abdominal thrust performed to clear airway obstruction in the awake patient without ventilation is termed as option A Leopold maneuver, option B Pollack's maneuver, option C Helming maneuver, and option D Valsalva maneuver. Subdiaphragmatic abdominal thrust performed to clear airway obstruction in the awake patient without ventilation is termed as Helming maneuver. So option C is the right answer. Question number 76. An 18-year boy is admitted in IQ with head injury. Following which medication will be administered to him to prevent the development of cerebral edema? Option A Lasix, option B mannitol, option C aminophylline, and option D all of the above. Here the right answer is option D all of the above. Question number 77. Pilocarpine 0.5% drops are indicated in the treatment of option A acute iritis, option B acute uveitis, option C cataract, and option D glaucoma. Pilocarpine 0.5% drops are indicated in the treatment of glaucoma. So option D is the right answer. Question number 78. Kwashiorkor triad include all except option A psychomotor changes, option B hypoglycemia, option C edema, and option D growth retardation. Kwashiorkor triad include all except hypoglycemia. So option B is the right answer. Question number 79. Anterior fontanelle closes at option A 2 to 3 months, option B 4 to 7 months, option C 9 to 12 months, and option D 18 to 24 months. Anterior fontanelle closes at 18 to 24 months. So option D is the right answer. Question number 80. Emotional release or discharge after recalling a painful experience. Option A ambivalence, option B apathy, option C affect, and option D abreaction. Here the right answer is option D abreaction. Emotional release or discharge after recalling a painful experience is called abreaction. Question number 81. Inability to have goal-directed association of thought. Option A circumstantiality, option B incoherence, option C tangentiality, and option D phobia. Inability to have goal-directed association of thought is called tangentiality. So option C is the right answer. Question number 82. Therapeutic level of blood lithium level is option A more than 2 milliequivalent per liter, option B 0.8 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter, option C 0.6 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter, and option D 1.4 to 2 milliequivalent per liter. Here the right answer is option B 0.8 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. Question number 83. Autism mainly involves option A overactivity and inattention, option B poor eating skill, option C poor intelligence, and option D poor communication. Autism mainly involves poor communication. So option D is the right answer. Question number 84. Biogex reach achieved at the age of option A 2 months, option B 6 months, option C 4 months, and option D 9 months. Here the right answer is 4 months. So option C is the right answer. Question number 85. Scarlet fever occurs due to option A group A beta hemolytic streptococcus infection, option B staphylococcus aureus infection, option C streptococcus pneumoniae infection, and option D enterococci infection. Here the right answer is option A group A beta hemolytic streptococcus infection. Question number 86. Which of the following is not seen in nephrotic syndrome? Option A edema, option B proteinuria, option C hypoproteinemia, and option D hypocholesterolemia. Here the right answer is option D hypocholesterolemia. Question number 87. An individual is aware of the stimuli but he is trying to oppose this actively or passively. It is frequently expressed in form of mutism or refusal of food. The term is used for this motor activity is option A repetitious behavior, option B negativism, option C compulsion, and option D automatic behavior. Here the right answer is option B negativism. Question number 88. Which is not common symptom of depression? Option A delusion, option B lethargy, option C insomnia, and option D poor appetite. Option A delusion is the right answer. Question number 89. Constant feeling of fear and apprehension is diagnosed as option A hypomanic episode, option B impulsivity, option C anxiety, and option D depression. Here option C is the right answer, anxiety. Question number 90. Psychotropic medication that blocks the acetylcholine receptor may result one of the following side effects. Option A, dry mouth. Option B, sexual dysfunction. Option C, nausea. And option D, priapism. Here the right answer is option A, dry mouth. Question number 91. Chasing the dragon refers to the smoking of option A, nicotine. Option B, heroin. Option C, hashish. And option D, bhang. Here the right answer is option B, heroin. Chasing the dragon refers to the smoking of heroin. Question number 92. People with schizophrenia who has thought disorder, hallucination and delusion are said to be option A, intrusive symptom, option B, negative symptom, option C, extrusive symptom and option D, positive symptoms. Here the right answer is option D, positive symptom. Question number 93. A person has alternating period of elation and depression. During elation he is full of energy, cheerful, and during depression he is silent, quiet. These symptoms are option A, cyclothymic personality, option B, melancholic personality, option C, hypomanic personality and option D, schizoid personality. Here the right answer is option D, schizoid personality. Question number 94. Hyperemesis gravidarum may occur because of excess option A, estrogen, option B, progesterone, option C, HCG and option D, oxytocin. Here the right answer is option C, HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophic hormone. Question number 95. The clinical anxiety where the process of abortion has started but has not progressed to a state from which recovery is not possible is option A, threatening abortion, option B, inevitable abortion, option C, missed abortion and option D, complete abortion. Here the right answer is option A, threatening abortion. Question number 96. Prolactin is released from the option A, anterior pituitary, option B, posterior pituitary, option C, ovaries and option D, adrenal gland. Here the right answer is option A, anterior pituitary. Prolactin is released from the anterior pituitary gland. Question number 97. Ossianger's sign means option A, bluish discoloration of vagina, option B, softening of cervix, option C, pulsation felt in lateral vaginal fornix and option D, fecal pulse felt on abdominal examination. Here the right answer is option C, pulsation felt in lateral vaginal fornix. Question number 98. Most common complication of ectopic pregnancy. Option A, pain, option B, vaginal bleeding, option C, infection and option D, amenorrhea. Most common complication of ectopic pregnancy is vaginal bleeding. So option B is the right answer. Question number 99. Sign of magnesium sulfate toxicity include all of these except option A, respiratory rate less than 12 breaths per minute, option B, knee jerk absent, option C, urine output more than 30 ml per hour and option D, serum magnesium level 4 to 7 milliequivalent per liter. Here the right answer is option C, urine output more than 30 ml per hour. Question number 100. Best parameter for estimation of fetal age by ultrasound in third trimester is option A, femur length, option B, BPD, option C, abdominal circumference and option D, chest circumference. Option A, femur length is the right answer. Best parameter for estimation of fetal age by ultrasound in third trimester is femur length. তো বন্ধুরা এই ছিল আমাদের আজকের ভিডিও। আমরা পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারের কোয়েশ্চেন পেপারগুলো আমরা এক এক করে দেখে নেব। ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার করো এবং চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না। অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।